IKIO Lighting Ltd, a LED lighting solutions manufacturer. The company was incorporated in the year 2016 and got listed on NSE and BSE in 2023. They are based in Noida, with more than 1,600 employees. Company has 4 manufacturing units, located in Uttarakhand and Noida, encompassing an area of 3 lakh square feet, and production capacity of 20 million units per annum. Company is planning a greenfield expansion project, which will add additional 5 lakh square feet, which is expected to be completed within 24 to 30 months. The market cap of the company is 2,268 crore rupees, and currently trading at 294 rupees per share. The company has a 18% CAGR for 3-year sales growth, and 34% CAGR for 3-year profit growth. The main business segment of the company is LED lighting and product display lighting. Company also started venturing in energy solutions segment since fiscal year 2022. Company offers high-end home decorative LED lights, indoor and outdoor lights, interior LED lights for commercial refrigerators, and various energy solutions related products like solar panels, ABS pipes, rotary switches, lithium battery, and more. The revenue generated from LED lighting segment is 89%, 3% from ABS pipes, and 8% from others. The sales of the company for the last 4 years have been consistently growing. The profits of the company are also increasing from year to year. Since the company got listed just last year, we only have shareholding information for last 3 quarters. There has been no drop in the promoters' holding in the last 3 quarters. We can see some foreign and domestic investments in the company. Some clients of the company are Western Refrigeration, Panasonic Life Solutions, Noida Electrical and Digital Systems, Signify, Lux RV, and more. Company have very high client concentration. About 50% of the revenue is generated from single customer, and about 80% of the revenue is generated from top 10 customers. Coming to some key highlights. Since 2022, the company started manufacturing ABS pipes and solar panels for recreational vehicles. They offer diverse products of more than 1100. Company exports its products mainly to USA, with a revenue concentration of 15% from exports and 85% from domestic. Company is exploring options to penetrate North American, European, and Southeast Asian markets. Company is planning for a greenfield expansion project at Noida to add 5 lakh square feet, which is expected to be completed over next 24 to 30 months. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. See you next time.